What is up, guys? TSL here, back with a brand new video. In today's video we'll be adding the rest of our AURAS to our game. Now by this I mean like the class AURA, so the AURAs you get as you progress through your classes. I'll be showing you guys how you add that to the game, and also I actually have real AURAs this time that one of my friends made. His username on Roblox is called Bad Squid. Go give him a follow if you want. Okay, so some requirements you're going to need is have in our power script in server storage. I just put them in power script because why not. You're going to need an AURAS folder, and basically in there you're just going to need a part. This part will get destroyed and you'll need to name it the class name and then AURA at the end. So basically inside of that you'll have your particles or whatever you use to make up the AURA, and if you're using particles, then you have to put them in different places of the character. So what you have to do is make sure that everything is named to where they need to be placed. So like the particle, this one is, as you see, is named head. That means that we'll have to parent that particle to the head of the character. Okay guys, now let me show you guys how to do this. So what you're going to do is go into server script service and open up your promote class script. Now, mine is a little different than your guys's, but the point still remains the same because this is the game that I'm working on for publishing purposes as well, that we started in the series, so there are some edits here and there. Okay, but as you see, here is our AURA stuff, and I will show you guys what this does. So the first thing, we have to delete the old AURA, so we're going to loop through the player's characters, and we're going to check if the part is a base part. If it is, then we're going to loop through it, loop through its children, and we want to look for either a particle emitter or an attachment. If we find, and we have to make sure that the values find first child, which is a particle emitter, if there's an attachment. So if there's an attachment with a particle emitter inside of it, then we can place it into, or not place it, actually destroy it, because we're deleting the old AURA. Then to add the new AURA, what you're going to do is to take your local AURA, and this will be equal to the game server storage powers AURAS folder, and you'll need to get the current class's name concatenated with AURA, and you'll need to clone that and maybe make the parent to the character. Then we'll loop through that AURA's children and we'll parent each part to their name, to the player, whatever the name of the part is. So for example, like I said before, this will be v.parent is equal to player.character.head, or brackets head. Okay, so that's all the AURA stuff that we'll need in there. And then to load AURAs when you join, what we'll need is in the server script, you'll need these lines. So once again, clone the AURA, set the parent to the character, and then loop through it and parent it to the corresponding part. Also, this is inside the player added function. Okay, so that should work, and let me show you guys. So I already have a lot of the classes in this game, actually all of them, and if you saw in this line, or where's the save script? In this line right over here somewhere, I actually have a custom AURA in this game, so I'll just show you that the loading part works, and then I will completely redo all the classes. Okay, so here is my owner's AURA. You'll be able to see it a little better once the force field is off, so just give that a second and I'll show you guys that a little closer. So yeah, it looks pretty sick, and yeah. Okay, so now I'm just going to reset the data store real quick, and then I'll show you guys. So we'll do test 4, and we'll play this. Okay, so we have the tutorial. I changed it a little on my end as well. I'm just going to go ahead and hide that now. I don't really want to do it. So tutorial GUI, let's just straight up delete it. Okay, so I actually still have my, my owner's only AURA. So let's go ahead and just comment out that line of code that gives us that for a minute and do that. Alright, but then it's safe, so now we have to reset the data store again. Alright guys, so now once we join, we should delete this again. So player GUI, tutorial GUI, just delete that. And you see for F class, you just have a few particles coming up, pretty hard to see. But if I give myself some power, so let's just say award me, just gonna do some big numbers so then I can just copy and paste it for the rest. Just do that for now. PSP, so psychic. If we copy that and then we enter that, now you see my psychic is 2.00 SXD. And then if I go over here and just promote myself, now you see we have more particles. Let's repeat that one more time. And now we actually have an aura. And I don't want to show you guys all the game's auras, so I'm just going to do like 2 more. Okay, so now I have this yellow one and this one. Now some of these auras get really cool and crazy once you hit what Superpower Fighting Simulator calls Legend class. The names are different once you pass XYZ class in this game as well. Okay, now let's if it says disconnected down the output, which it did, let's show off the aura loading. So let's test, and as you see, just give it a minute and it will look a little better. But as you see, it is the same aura. Yep, the aura worked and everything is good. Now there is one thing, however. When you die, your aura goes away. So, to, very quickly make that not happen, all we need is this. And then we'll need to go into, let's say, starter player, starter character script. We can even just go into our reputation script. Humanoid that died, or we'll do player.player added connect function, and then we'll just do that. And current class is going to change to player.class.value. Okay, so that should be good, I think. Let's try that out. Okay, so we have this aura here, as you can see. Okay, player added, that's not that, we wrote that wrong. That should be character added. Player.character added connect function. Alright, there we go. So now let's just wait for the force field to get off real quick. My mouse gets super big when I just go like that. Alright, so let's reset. And hopefully we will still have our aura. Okay, so unfortunately this did not work, and I'll tell you guys why in a moment. Alright guys, so I think I found the issue. Well, I think I might know the issue. Since this is part of starter character scripts, this script actually gets deleted when the character dies as well. So maybe if we try to go into server script service and put a script there, hopefully it's this one. We'll just call it, how about, aura respawn. Okay, it was the correct script. And we can just copy this. Or actually what we can do is say game.players.player added connect function player, say player dot character added connect function character, and then we can delete this stuff and this, and we can just have this. And I think we could delete the weight. Now hopefully this will work. Okay, so I think we actually have double auras now. So I'm pretty sure what we can do is in the save script, we can actually remove this. And what we can do is in our respawn, we'll have a wait of 1 second to hopefully get all the data loaded. Okay, I guess the save script is necessary because I've always had a problem with character detecting the first time the player joins. So let's just put that back. Alright, well anyways guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video and this helped you out, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and it really motivates me to keep making content for you guys, and I hope that you guys have enjoyed this series. I know it's been a really long one, but I hope it's been helping you out, and hopefully we can get this done soon. Good luck on your guys' games. Also make sure you turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next video in this series, because that is coming to an end pretty soon. But it is not over yet. So guys, that being said, see you in the next one. Bye.